Oh, woo! Another day, another breakfast. I'm lucky. I love it. Oh, look at that. Everything the light touches, it's. Oops, I can use it. I'm on Pixar. It's Disney, right? Whatever. This is my house. It's not too much, but it's mine. One day I will have a better life. I can feel it. Oh, TV time. I love it. So boring. She will marry this guy? No way. He's the bad guy. How she can see that? Oh, this is a cute bug. Seems delicious. And the time goes on. It's time to sleep. Oops. What is that? So pretty. It's so wonderful. I can see everything. My life will be better with this pretty nest. I need to create it. I need to create the most beautiful nest ever. Let's work. Pa, pa, pa. I'm so tired. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. What? What's that? I can't sleep. Every day, this noise every day. Finally, I finish it. Now looks like home. Wah, wah, wah. Hey you stop this noise. We will destroy your house. Hey you, we'll talk to you. Destroy your house. Hey, look at that. The bird is fighting. What's happening? Oh, this is a messy. Hey, this is the mayor. What's going on? What? Bird is fighting. We need to stop it right now. No more birds. Remove all the nests. People from the city. No more birds on my city. No more. It's forbidden birds here. All the nests will be removed. All the birds need get out. What can I do now? My dream, my constructions. How can I how can I fix it? How can I bring back the life for the city? A city with no birds. Where I will live? Start with BRYAN said on the buildings, explaining how the other birds are living now. Living like rats, hiding, living above the trees, waiting for the guards to live without going to jail. The camera is back and now BRYAN has someone behind him. This is the other bird and he came to help him. When he's tired to live in the forest and he loves the city. He's tired to dancing every day, eating ovie eaten, and he tired to try to find some love. He loves the city and he needs to stay and he needs the BRYAN's help. BRYAN's confusing because what? My help? Why me? He is afraid. The other birds explain only BRYAN can bring back the birds because it's his face. The prohibited now. And the guards is taking every bird because they think all the birds are the same. But he is there to help BRYAN. Knows BRYAN would like to be a constructor and he showed him it's possible to create for a paradise bird and he can do the same. He only needs focus and learn with this new friend. And BRYAN loves the idea and he starts to work hard every month. Someday BRYAN showed him a construction and that's a beautiful construction. But why it's a teeny house? He asked BRYAN and BRYAN, oh, I create for a friend. To me. Oh, look at that. Hey, this is my new friend. The house is for him. Okay. project now. They fly to another place because it's hidden. This is the sculpture. It's hidden here on the park. But they didn't know the guard and the cat is there. Look at him. The guard saw him making some modification on this sculpture. The guard loved it. The guard and the cat is an art lover. The guard called to all the cops right now, come right now, and call to the mayor. People heard about the policies coming to some park and they followed them. Wow, look this sculpture, that's amazing. And that's a bird is creating. Wow, we love it. A lot of people is there. The police was there. Everyone waiting for the mayor. The mayor is here now looking at this strange sculpture and he talked with the people there. This is the new symbol of the city. This is bird art and we love it. Now I declare the birds are welcome again. The birds are happy now. They can live again on the city.